In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the forecast tool in Hubspot. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functioning tool ready to give you insightful predictions about your business activities. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hubspot URL, bringing you to their main page. Once you're there, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on it and enter your login credentials. If you haven't already set up a Hubspot account, follow the prompts to create one. This is a crucial step, as the forecast tool is only accessible from within your Hubspot profile. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home. Here you'll have access to various tools and functionalities offered by Hubspot. For this tutorial, our focus is on the forecast tool. But first, we need to adjust some settings which play a vital role in how the forecast tool will function. Next, look for the settings icon. It is generally depicted as a gear symbol and can be found on the main navigation bar. Click on this icon to navigate to the settings menu. The settings area allows you to configure a range of options for your Hubspot account, ensuring your tools and operations run smoothly. Within the settings menu, click on Objects. This section contains different elements you can manage within Hubspot, providing the flexibility to tailor your user experience. Under the Objects menu, locate and click on Forecast. This is where we'll start configuring the forecast tool tailored to your business needs. Once you are in the forecast section, you'll see the Setup option. Click on it to proceed with the configuration. The Setup area guides you through initial steps and preferences to ensure that you make the most out of the forecasting tool. Be sure to take your time during setup, as the settings you choose here will impact how the tool predicts and analyzes your data. Further down, you'll find an option labeled Pipelines. Click on it to customize your forecasting further. Pipelines in Hubspot are crucial for managing different stages of your sales process, affecting how data is forecasted. Adjust these settings according to your business structure to get the most accurate projections. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your forecast tool in Hubspot is all set up and ready to go. You can now utilize this powerful feature to get insightful forecasts that will help you plan and strategize effectively for the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Have a great day,